My name is Paula Norris. I'm a psychotherapist, and I've been working for about 30 years as a psychotherapist. My husband is a psychiatrist, and we've been working together now for about 6 years using our brain restoration treatment, which was formerly known as NTR. I opened up my own clinic in the United States in 2002, and I've been consistently doing this since then. We've treated hundreds of patients. It is without a doubt the only reason I can do this, because this gives people hope. It is remarkable. I can see in the complexion by day 3 what can happen to someone. Their complexion changes. They get rosy cheeks. Their eyes light up. They're home. It's like the light has just turned on. And it's visible. Sometimes I see it before they even experience it. But it is a phenomenon that is hard to explain and definitely hard to believe. I was a skeptic. My husband certainly was a skeptic. He watched what we were doing for 5 years before he came on board. But he was seeing the results. And the results are remarkable. It is something that every family can attach themselves to with hope. Just recently, we just finished treating about 10 patients. Well, actually, it was 10 patients. 1 out of the 10 did not get this response. What do you say about that? What can you say about that except that that's pretty remarkable? If 9 out of the 10 that you just treated got the result that we see time and time again, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing.